everybody, how you stay? To that you say, "I'm good, Irie." Hi everyone, my name is Novadine. Welcome to Yaadie Hands. Who is a Yaadie? A Yaadie is what a Jamaican calls another Jamaican who hails from their hometown or country. The same as saying, my friend from back home in Jamaica. And yes, I am Jamaican. The name Yaadie also describes someone who gets a sense of fulfillment from helping others. A Yaadie likes to meet and get to know new people, gets along with everybody, and will quickly notice if someone is feeling sad or troubled and offer to help at the right time. A Yaadie takes pleasure in solving problems. Bringing justice into this world is incredibly important to a Yaadie. I bet you didn't know that. That's what we are about on this channel, New Perspectives. And yes, I am a Yaadie with a background in banking and finance who dabbled in a little business and is inspired to do this because of the stories of so many people I have met in my very short years on this earth. And also because of a 1 hour long scolding I got from a friend because of my negative opinion on certain issues. But you will hear my story another time because this is not about me. It is about all the other Yaadies you will meet. Some who reside in Jamaica and others who live afar, each with their story of trying and triumph to tell. A popular saying in Jamaica goes, "If you're afraid for eye, you never name the head." Translation, if you are afraid of the eye, you will never eat the head. Meaning, life is full of challenges and unpleasant tasks, and those who avoid them will never learn the lessons they teach or will never attain their goals. Yassa, right here. No Yaadie no afraid for yai. And we will expose the ones who dare to name the head and make a difference. We are calling Jamaicans who operate a charitable organization or group dedicated to social development or welfare in Jamaica. We're calling Jamaican entrepreneurs with an established local or overseas business, as well as Jamaican entrepreneurs and creatives on the rise. Come make we hear your story now. For our audience who know, say one finger can't kill louse. Cooperation and teamwork is necessary to achieve much. We will give you all the information you need to make a difference in your own space. And because one cocoa full basket, we need all Yaadie Hands on deck. Tune into Yaadie Hands weekly for new features. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel, share the information you get from us, and please leave a comment now. We want to know what you think about what we are doing. And you see, when I hear your turn to share your story, make sure your peeps them tune in. If you identify as a Yaadie, no miss this. Yaadie Hands, Jamaicans United, making progress. Jump now.